Welcome. In this video, we talk about Jalsa, great stocks of 2020 for India. Like we have the FANG stocks in the US market, which are giving big returns to its investors, in India, we have Jalsa stocks. This acronym was coined by Sunil Sinania of Abacus Fund. These are much talked about stocks in India today because of the gains they have given in the last 3 to 4 months. All of them have given more than 200% returns, with Suven even going above 300% from their March lows. When we come across these kind of stocks that has given big growth, we would think about how good it would be to own these stocks. And when we see a bunch of such big gainers, mind spins into thought of, if not these, how could we own such great stocks in the future? When we learnt about Jalsa a few weeks back, it was a surprise that though we did not own all of Jalsa, we had Jal in our portfolio. It was nice to know that we might have missed the joy of Jalsa while started moving with Jal. Thought of sharing the experience of getting into these stocks, which will be of help to investors to identify such opportunities in the future. Before we get any further, would like to inform that we use a system-based approach to investing, and that system has helped us identify these opportunities. There were no specific search made to pick these stocks all along. So let's go to the stocks. Let's begin with Jubilant. Jubilant was not a new entrant into fame. In its September 2019 results, it had 79% profit growth. With this, the stock entered the list of top 20 companies in the earnings growth in India. After that, price did move up, then it traveled along with the markets to the lows during pandemic. When markets recovered, the leadership position pulled it up and its price moved above the 26-week moving average, qualifying for a buy on 15th May when the stock price was at 472. The strength it had, with subsequent results giving big growth, stock has gone above 900 rupees per share, giving nearly 100% gains from where it came to buy. The next stock we'll look at is Aurobindo Pharma. For Aurobindo Pharma, March 20 results came with a 57% profit growth. Even before the results were out, this stock was an early bird. Aurobindo stock gave a technical buy on 8th May when the price was at 642. For this stock and the price it is now trading, the entry will look like it was little late. Not all signals come perfect. Some of them are little early, some are late, while some never give a signal to. Aurobindo moved up more than 50% from where it signaled a buy. The next stock, Laurus Labs. This was similar to Jubilant, already a leader in the making. December 19 results comes with 344% whopping profit growth. Following this great result, stock moved up, gave a buy signal while we were at the cusp of a COVID crash, which took the stock down too. Though Laurus did not drop big time like other stocks, it took a little longer time to give a buy signal. Buy came when the stock was at 536 on 30th of April. After that, it went into a consolidation, and the final breakout comes when the stock was at 489. It was in early June. Post that, there was no look back, and today this stock has the highest open profit of 140%. This happened in just about 2.5 months. So having a system and following it with discipline to take the trades helped us identify and get into these stocks, which are today's multi-baggers. The next question will be, can we invest in these stocks now? They have already run up. That said, if the growth continues, it can continue to go up from here too. One great example was Bajaj Finance, which had given a continuous more than 50% growth on its quarterly result for the last 10 years. Though it is a rare find, such great stocks are there and can be there in this current run also. We don't know as of now. So if someone wants to invest in these kind of stocks, please evaluate the risk and get yourself comfortable with the prevailing risk and then invest. Happy investing. Thank you.